Hello everybody and welcome back to another unboxing video. Did you think it was going to be this soon? Of course you did, because I am building my collection and it's getting very serious now, I'll tell you that. So I have a very exciting one, which I mean, they're all very exciting, but this one just came out on the Loungefly website I think yesterday, but some like small shops have had it, so I actually bought this from a shop called Poptaria in Australia, but I believe there's still other small shops selling it, and I think that Loungefly sold out of this bag, but they have said it's coming back, so don't buy it from a reseller for really expensive just yet. Wait until you can get it for retail price. That's all I'm gonna say, because now I'm gonna show you the beautiful lovely bag. Okay, so I have already opened it. I bought it with Stitch as well, which was very exciting, but Stitch is not coming out today. This one I got actually at a discount, which I was very excited about. I think in Australia it's selling for about 124 Australian dollars. In USD I think it's 85, maybe 90, maybe. Anyway, this beautiful white sequin that it comes in, all over the bag, on the ears. Might just take it off. Oh wow, that's a bit scary to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It's paired all with silver sort of zippers and whatnot. The lining is grey. That plaque, I like. That plaque white with the silver. That's really beautiful. And what I do love about this bag is that this bow, whoop, it pops off, and then you can simply just add the veil like so, and then of course let's have a look at the inside. So on the inside we've just got that Mickey pattern again with the love heart, sort of a more greyish lining. Let's check if it has a back pocket, because you know I do love one of those back pockets. So yeah, once again this one just has a slip pocket. I do not, there we go, that slip pocket there, it's got a slip pocket. It does not have a zipper pocket at the back. What else can I say about this bag? It is a stunning bag. I think that honestly, even though it's a wedding sequin bag, let me actually just pop the bow back onto it. And it just clips on. Oh, another thing. How gorgeous. Okay. Hope that's in focus. I'm a big fan of the color of these straps underneath, the padded straps, because it's almost this like pearlescent white. Like, how gorgeous is that? It looks shiny. And then on the other side, yes, that is stunning. I love that. This is gorgeous color. Little Mickey icon. Cinematic mode. I don't know if that's working very well for me. Even though it is a wedding sequin bag, it's designed, you know, for people having weddings and honeymoons and things like that. Beautiful. Like, what a nice idea. Because then you've got this bow that has the two rings and you can interchange it. And it's got, you know, the veil as well. I think that's really cute. But what I will say is that I think that I love neutral, I mean, sequins is not a neutral. But I think that you could actually wear it maybe even for a Christmas bag, because I kind of look at this bag and I'm like, wow, it looks like a giant snowflake. You could also wear it, let me see, Disney on Ice, looks like ice, perfect. An Elsa cosplay, you could wear it as an Elsa cosplay. So yes, I think that this is just such a nice color to have. And probably, as you can see, it would go really well in any person's sort of collection of bags. If you desire a bit of sparkle in your life and you might not love the sort of all-out colors of the all the sequin bags that have come out, like obviously the Small World, that's a bit excessive. You know, the iridescent one is also a little bit crazy. This one is perfect and so simple, and it does come with, in the line, they have a crossbody and a wallet, and I did not get either of those, but honestly I'm thinking that I would really like to get the crossbody, because the crossbody is so simple to have, and it might be just like a nice little pop to your outfit, whether or not you're getting married, because I think it comes with the same combination of veil or no veil. I wish it came out maybe or when I was getting married, because this would have been like a nice little bag to take away, or even just to pack on my wedding day, to pack some extra things and take photos with. Could be very cute for an engagement photo shoot. Ooh, I like that idea. Or if you're having a honeymoon at Disneyland or Disney World, can you imagine that? You're wearing this to the parks, and then you've got the Minnie ears with the veil, and you've got that. Oh, that is such a good idea. I hope there is people that are doing that, because I would love to see it. I probably won't even bother swapping out the veil for this, because I love the color of the like, it's just plain white. It's really pretty. So yeah, that's all for this video. Let me know if you did actually end up buying this wedding sequin bag, or if you're planning to, now that you've sort of seen it in person. Did you buy the crossbody? Did you buy the wallet? Do you absolutely hate the color of the bag? I mean, how could you not, unless you were thinking about how dirty it's going to get around kids, because yes, it will. So this one's going like high on the shelf. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. As a self-confessed sequin lover myself, this was a very exciting little addition to my mail this week, because I can just tell, like, even though that I probably won't wear it for like wedding purposes, since that's all over for me, hello, I think that this would be like such a nice bag in Christmas, to like look like snow or something like that. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. It helps out heaps and heaps. And if you want to see more, feel free to hit subscribe, because I post weekly, or I at least try to, and I'm definitely going to be getting more beautiful bags in soon. I have my list, they're all down. And yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.